This is justice for Nikita. Haryana drunk cop moves down a 24-year-old, hits, drags and crushes the young girl. Booze fueled fatal drive in Khaki. Drunk cop nabbed by angry residents. Drunk and deadly at the wheels, e-rickshaw hit. Nikita killed on spot. This is what we are learning of, and this is when questions rise that when people who are supposed to, those officers, those who are in the position of authority, those who are meant to safeguard people and citizens out there, they end up being the culprits, then where do the people go? Where do the common men go? And this is one such incident that brings that question to light at this point of time. This is a drunk and deadly incident that's taken place in Haryana, wherein a drunk cop has mowed down a 24-year-old victim, Nikita. Justice for Nikita is what we are in fact now bringing to you and pushing for. Let's quickly listen in first to what exactly happened, a narrative that's coming from an eyewitness. Let's listen into that very version first.
उसने 100 की स्पीड पे आके हमारे ई रिक्शे को पीछे से ठोक दिया और पीछे से ठोक दिया तो ऐसा ठोका तो उसने उसमें से ई रिक्शे में से उछल कर लड़की बाहर सड़क की तरफ गिर गई, हाईवे की तरफ। तो उस पुलिस वाले ने कार को लड़की के ऊपर चढ़ा दिया और लड़की के ऊपर चढ़ा दिया। तब हम बहुत आगे जाके रुके, रिक्शा वाले हम आगे जाके रुके तो 4 सवारी भी हमारे पास, 3 सवारियां जो पीछे बीच में बैठी रह गई थी। तो हमने दोबारा वापस जाके देखा, वहां पर बहुत भीड़ इकट्ठा हो गई थी। तो इतने में बस लड़की जब वहां पे तो सांसें चल रही थी और यहाँ पर आके पता चला कि लड़की पूरी हो चुकी है।
Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us on the broadcast with more details on this very story. Kamaljeet, a very good morning to you. This is a tragedy that's come about, but what makes it even more harrowing is the fact that it was a drunk cop. He was behind the wheels when he not just hit the e-rickshaw, but then when the girl falls out of it, he's also run his car over. He's mowed down the very 24-year-old and then proceeded.
Well, a shocking incident has come to light because this involves a cop. Now, these are the people who are supposed to safeguard the roads, safeguard the citizens. In fact, if the story is the other way, it's not only that he was drunk on power, he was completely drunk, inebriated, and that is when he rammed the e-rickshaw and the girl fell out of the rickshaw. He rammed his car against her. That led to her dying on spot immediately. Now, he was surrounded by angry people and then handed over to the police. But this is something which has come because, remember, when we're talking about road safety, when we're talking about the new laws, they're very, very stringent, and especially at a point of time where Haryana police has been harping on road safety, one of their own man in uniform is the one who's the perpetrator. So obviously people are asking for strictest of action against this particular erring cop, and also they're demanding justice. So yes, even as there's a louder chorus for justice for Nikita, the onus and responsibility completely on Haryana police and how they book him and how they proceed in this particular matter in a fair and neutral manner.
Kamalji, thank you for bringing us those details. And yes, at this point of time, all eyes remain to be as to how justice is attained for Nikita.
गाड़ी है कहाँ पे आपकी? गाड़ी कहाँ है आपकी?
गाड़ी को वहीं खोज ली थी, वहीं यहाँ पे जब पंगा आया था।
पंगा है?
जो भी हुआ था।
जो भी हुआ था?
मैं रुक गया था किसी वहीं पे मेरी गाड़ी की चप्पल खोज ली गई।
अच्छा, किसी रुके थे आप? रुके क्यों थे आप ऐसे?
मेरे साथ हाथ सेट किया गया।
हैं?
हाथ सेट किया गया मेरे साथ। मैंने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया। मैंने अपनी गाड़ी रोकी इसलिए कि इसका बचाव करूँ। वो मेरे रास्ते कर लगी, मेरी गाड़ी भी जब भी लगी।
अच्छा अच्छा।
मेरी गाड़ी भी लगी।
जो गाड़ी में स्क्रैच है आपकी?
नहीं पता मेरी गाड़ी में क्या है।
नहीं, जो गाड़ी में स्क्रैच है
गाड़ी के अंदर मेरा सामान पड़ा है, तौलिया है, अच्छा ब्रश है, पेस्ट है।
नहीं, जो गाड़ी पे स्क्रैच है आपकी वो?
देख लो, गाड़ी देख लो, आप गाड़ी चेक करो।
हाँ, स्क्रैच है उस पे गाड़ी पे?
देख लो आप।
देख ली ना?
देख लो आप।
देख के बता रहे हैं आपको। हाँ हाँ।